Good morning, teachers. Now today I am explaining you how we are going to make the Google Forms. While making the Google Forms, when we want to do auto correction, that auto correction part, it is not possible in the mobile, so we have to use it from the laptop only. And how we have to move further, we have to go in this 9 dots. From this 9 dots, we have to go in the Google Drive. When we go in Google Drive, we have to go in this new option. When we go in this new option, here, as I am using it always, so I am getting it here only, Google Forms. And if you don't get, you can go it in more, and here in more options you will get it Google Forms. When you go here in Google Forms, so the form will come here. Now I will one by one explain you how we have to move ahead with it. First of all, we have to write the questions here. Questions option is on here, so we can write the questions here and add the questions according to the type of the question which is written here. And we will start from the title. When we write it here untitled form, when it is written here, we can edit this by writing the name of the school or any whatever form it is, like if it is an admission form, like, or it is an exam form or something, whatever title we want, we can write it here. And then I'm writing here scabs SI lines. Okay, and we can write it here monthly assessment example if it is. And here we can write the question. The question, if it is in multiple choice, we have to select it from here. Multiple choice question, checker box. First of all, we can write as a short answer, wherein we can write name of the child, so that we get to know what is the name of the child. The child will be writing here the name or the parent, and then we have to do it here required. When we put it here required, an asterisk comes there, and without filling this section, the form will not be submitted. So this is the required part. We can switch on this for the every required material, which is like roll number and the parent's name and all these things. If we require, we can do it like this. And for next, we can just make a duplicate if we want to make a same question. And if we want to make another question, then here in this symbols we can come. So here if we put it plus, automatically another question comes here. We can also change the type of the question here. And then if we want to import some another question from another form, we can import here. So from other forms also we can get, if we are making these forms for from many times, so if we want to repeat the same question, we can import this question from another forms. So like I am importing from previous forms. I just tried this form. I have made this form, so I will select this form. And from this form, if I'll import one question, it is loading. So after loading it, the form has come here in this side. If you want, you can take select all. In select all the questions, it can be imported. If you want to do a revision, then all the questions in the form will be repeated. So I have made this form first earlier as a trial before making this video. So these two the questions have been imported from another form. Now I'll explain you how the images can be inserted. This was the second option, import form. Title, if we want to give another title, we can add this. Next is the add image section. You can get it from here also, and when you when you start the cursor here also you get the image part. If you can add image from here. Now when you add image, there are certain options. Upload, if you do it upload, the image should be in your mobile. And if you do it from camera, so from your laptop must have that facility that it should take a snap directly. You can take an image from any link, from Google Photos also. You can take it from Drive if it is, and you can directly also search the photos or images from Google Image Search. So you can go from it and then you can search it. So I am having the photos in my laptop, so I am taking the photos from here. I'm taking the photos of grandparents, and now it is loading. The image has come here. And now if you want to make the size of the image small or big, you can make it. As in the other form, I had made the fixed size. You can enlarge this, and you can also minimize the size, and then the child can write it here, the answer. And if you want this question to be in the form of multiple choice, you can select here and then make the changes in the form of the question. And then if you want to make 2 or 3 or 4 whatever options, so you can write here the option parents. And if you want to add one more option, then you can write it, add another option. So here you can write grandparents, and other option if you want you can keep it, otherwise you can just put a cross there. Now this form, how to do auto correction part, this was the image part. Next is the auto correction part. For making auto correction, you just have to go to the settings, and then there are 3 options. One is general. In this general, if you want to collect email addresses of the parent, and if you want to make a report card and give it in the email address form, then you can collect email address of them. So you can tick. So there will be an option where the parent has to enter the email address, otherwise the form will not be submitted. So we are not doing this. If you want that the child can give multiple times, if you think that the child has given the wrong answers, then you can tell to give the answer again. So you can not remit to one response. If you want the child should be responding only once, then you can click on this option. And if you want the respondent can edit after submit or just see summary charts, you can tick on this. So we are not doing anything here now. Next comes the presentation, how the form should look like. So this is the thing. If you want to show the link and submit the other response, if you want to shuffle question order for every form and for the every parent, like how we were getting, if first question is different for one parent and second question is different for another parent, that way also it can be done if you want in the presentation form. Now in the quizzes, we have to make it quizzes for auto correction. Make this form as a quizzes, so I have already done for the same. And then if you want that immediately the score should be seen for the parents, so they can get the score immediately after the submission, and then they can see the missed question, they can see the correct answer, and they can also see their number. We can do it like this. Otherwise, if we don't want them to see, we can just do it later after manual review. If we do this, then we have to check answer for every question afterwards when we get it in the email, and then we have to save this. Now how to put the points, I have put 2 points for every question. So what we have to do is we just have to click to the question, and then here answer key is written. Here in the answer key, we just have to select, we have to write the points, how many points we are giving to each question, and then we have to select the correct answer. After selecting the correct answer, we just have to give done. When it is done, the answer is recorded in the form. After doing this, we just have to share the form. Like this is just a sample, that's why I'm showing only these many questions. After doing this, when we are sharing the form, we just have to click on the send. When we send, we can mail it to ourselves and then get it on our mobile and then WhatsApp to the parents. Otherwise, we can get the link from here, mail it to ourselves, and then we can WhatsApp. And you can also share it via web docs. So it is better that we share the link. So we can copy this link and then we can mail it to ourselves, and after mailing it, the link will be shared in the WhatsApp, and the child can be able to see the and view the scores also. So this was the thing in the Google Forms. Like I told you, for image insertion and auto correction part, I will be sharing another video from the mobile wherein I will be solving this paper, and then I will be getting the response and the recorded form also. So let's see in that recorded video of mobile also.